Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel, The Science King, and today we are going to be talking about diffusion, osmosis and active transport. So let's get right into the video. So substances can move in and out of cells by diffusion, osmosis and active transport. So first off, what is diffusion? Diffusion is simple. It is the net overall movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. It happens in both liquids and gases. That's because the particles in these substances are free to move about randomly. Only very small molecules can diffuse through cell membranes, things like glucose, amino acids, water and oxygen. Big molecules like starch and proteins can't fit through the membrane. Next up we have osmosis. Osmosis is a special case of diffusion. It is the net movement of water molecules across a partially permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration. A partially permeable membrane is just one with very small holes in it, so tiny molecules like water can pass through them. The water molecules actually pass both ways through the membrane during osmosis. This happens because water molecules move about randomly all the time. But because there are more water molecules on one side than the other side, there is a steady net flow of water into the region with fewer water molecules. That is, i.e., into the more concentrated solute solution. This means that the solute solution gets more dilute. The water acts like it's trying to even up the concentration either side of the membrane, and that is what you call an equilibrium. And on the top right hand corner we can see a little diagram kind of representing it. So we have one side and the other side, and we see the water particles as equaled out as they can be, and that's how osmosis works. So next we have active transport. Active transport is the movement of particles across a membrane against a concentration gradient, that is an area of lower to an area of higher concentration, using energy transferred during respiration. Active transport is a bit different from diffusion because particles are moved up a concentration gradient rather than down. The process requires energy. Unlike diffusion, which is a passive process, so it happens even like when you don't know, and it doesn't require energy. So digestive system is an example of active transport, where there is a high concentration of nutrients in the gut than in the blood. The nutrients diffuse naturally into the blood, but sometimes there is a low concentration of nutrients in the gut than in the blood. Active transport allows nutrients to be taken into the blood despite the fact that the concentration gradient is the wrong way around. This is essential to stop us starving. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully everyone enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe, like and comment to the Science King.